Alright, so when you're working on the calculating your BMI worksheet, you're figuring out where it is your body mass is going to fall. The first thing you have to do is you need to weigh yourself in pounds. You need to know roughly what you're at for a weight. If you're not 100% sure, just guess. I know that I'm at about 170 some pounds, so I'm going to put in here, and if you're handwriting this, you can handwrite it. I'm going to type it in here, 173 pounds, and I need to multiply that by 703. So I'm going to go 703 times 173 pounds, and that's going to give me a number of 121,619. So I'm going to put that in here. 121,619. And then I need to measure my height and record it in inches. So 5 feet would be 60 inches, 6 feet would be 72 inches. I'm 5'11", so 71 inches, so I need to know that I'm 71 inches tall. And then on step 4, I'm going to multiply my height by itself, so basically squaring it. You see here 66 times 66 in the sample. So mine is going to be 71 times 71. Which gives me 5,041. So I'm going to go back to my blank here, put in 5,041. Then on this blank, divide your answer for step 2 by your answer from step 4. So in the sample, 101,935 divided by 66 times 66, which is 4356 to calculate the BMI. My numbers are 121,619 divided by 5041. So I'm going to go back over here, 121,619 divided by 5,041 equals 24.125. We're going to, for this assignment, just round to the nearest tenth. So 24.1 is my BMI. And then I'm going to look at the chart. Now I'm over here in the adult range. You guys are going to be over here in these ones. So you're going to look at the right column and come up with the right one. For me, 24.1 is at the high end of the normal range. So I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to list 24. I'm going to list normal for that range. And after I've done that, then I'm going to go down to the bottom here and use these same calculations to figure out the practice questions. Okay, so if I'm calculating the BMI for a person who is 209 pounds and 6'1", then I'm going to go in here, weigh yourself, so I know it's 209, multiply by 703. So I need, in this one, I need 209 times 703 as my first one. Which gives us a number of 146,927. Okay, that's my first number. My second number that I need is height in inches multiplied by itself. So 6'1" would be 72 inches plus 1 is 73 inches. So I need 73 times 73. Which gives me 5329. And then I need to come up with my BMI number. I need to divide the first number by the second number. So I've got 146,927 divided by 5329. That gives me a BMI of 27.6. And then if I go up to the chart, if I was going to, for this problem you just need to calculate the BMI. So this is your final answer. If I go up to the chart, depending upon where I'm at, if it was an adult it would be overweight, and if it was a teenager, both of them would be overweight, although a little closer to the line between risk of overweight and overweight. If you have questions, rewatch the video or ask when you get to class or come see us during SNAP.